Are you getting Norton error 502? And if yes, then watch this video till the end, because I am going to give you the best solution. First of all, you can open this link. I will share you this link in the video description. This is Norton's status link, and from here you can check the server status of Norton. The second step is to clear the browser cache. So in uh, Chrome, I need to go to settings. I need to click on privacy and security. There is an option of clear browsing data. Just tap on this and click on clear data. So the next step is to reset the browser. In settings only, at the bottom you can see there is an option of reset settings. Just tap on this and click on reset settings to the original default, and just click on reset settings to reset your web browser. And the last step is to uninstall and reinstall web browser. You can go to control panel, and from here you can simply uninstall your web browser. I hope you know how to uninstall it. You can go to your control panel, and herein you will get programs and features, and you can find your Google Chrome and click here uninstall button, and your browser will get uninstalled, and you can again install it from Google search. And you can also try to use any other web browser as well, like Safari, or you can use Opera, or you can use Mozilla Firefox, or any other Microsoft Edge you can use, and try to open the link. And if you still face any problem, you can comment below and I will definitely give you reply. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.